Hey there, welcome to Tech Terminal. Today we'll be unboxing the RAZER Deathstalker Essential 2014 Edition gaming keyboard. So before we get into the unboxing, let's see what the keyboard has to offer. It has slim chiclet keys, optimized key metrics for minimized ghosting, and has RAZER Synapse 2.0 enable, which is a super helpful tool to have and it's amazing and easy to use. And this keyboard is pretty silent. I did some more testing by the time this video is done, and I have to say that my typing speed has improved a lot thanks to the chiclet style keys. It has 1000Hz ultra polling, on-the-fly macro recording, and a dedicated gaming mode. On the back side, you'll find the same as we just discussed. So let's open it. On the top, we have the keyboard wrapped in some softy foam, but keeping that aside as of now, underneath we have the user manual, which I would recommend to read because it may be a bit difficult to use and it has some information on using the software, and if you're familiar with that, then just leave it inside. And you can get the RAZER Synapse 2.0 software from their website, and I will have the direct link to the download page. So now that that's done, let's bring in the keyboard. And it was kind enough for RAZER to include the USB cover. So here we have the RAZER Deathstalker Essential 2014 Edition keyboard. It's super smooth and slick. The rubber pads on the bottom provides perfect grip to the table, and it has the height adjust that folds out and gives you that slightly adjusted position best suited for typing. So that kind of wraps up our unboxing. This is just a keyboard. So now let's move on to some common concerns about when buying this keyboard. So first question, is it a good build? Man, seriously, it's perfectly built. It's RAZER. Number 2, is it good for gaming? Me personally, I'm not a hardcore gamer, but I can say if you have ever played on a laptop, then it would be buttery smooth, or else get a mechanical keyboard of your choice. Number 3, is it good for typing? The answer is yes, it is perfect. In fact, it will actually increase your typing speed to a certain point. So some more questions are, is it backlit? Sadly, no, it's not the backlit one. There is a backlit version available, and I'll have the link to that as well. And so the last question that everyone has, how much money do I have to pay to get this damn thing? Well, it is priced at a reasonable 2,990 Indian rupees with a maximum retail price of 3,699 on Flipkart. So if you are outside of India and want to get this, then I'll have the Amazon link as well, and as long as Amazon ships to your location. And I guess this is around 40 to 50 US dollars. So that was it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more content on technology tips, tutorials and more. And I'll see you again later. Bye bye.